Look at this shiny palette. It's so pretty and shiny. Even the inside is shiny. Let's watch it. Hi everybody, thanks for joining for another swatch video. I don't know anything about this brand. It says dose of colors down here. Sorry about my nails. I have animals and anxiety and I haven't redone them after last time, so just deal with me. Please be gentle. Sorry if it bothers you. Anyway, so the back says Desi and Katie Friendcation. So clearly this is some kind of collab, I guess. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. Don't know if it's vegan. But I guess it's called Friendcation. It looks like the colors do have names on the back. Let's take a look. So pretty. Definitely some neutrals here and some bright pops of color, shimmer, whatever. Let's take a look at it. So I put down some concealer here. What did I use? I used this. So if it looks a little strange, I was trying to even out the skin tone, but it might have like some lines at the sides of it here. I'm going to put the names on the screen rather than flip back and forth while my fingers are all swatchy. So here is, where do I want to start? Here's the first one. And it matches my skin tone. I have light skin with cool undertones, so this is going to look different on someone with warm undertones, or obviously, you know, any darker or lighter, fairer, deeper, whatever. So sorry you can barely see that one. The next one looks like it's going to show up pretty well though. Nice kind of chocolatey brown. And the quality is good with that too. You know, that's very opaque from, you know, one or two go-overs there. Here's the next one. Is this cool or warm? I don't know. This could be a bronzer color, could be a contour color. It's kind of, I guess that makes it neutral if it's both undertones. These are beautiful for a smoky eye or like a crease color, like all three of them really. All right, at the end of the row here, we've got these two shimmers. Blue one is very soft, but let's check out this fourth color first. Oh my gosh. I barely touched it. Whoa. It's like gold but olive. That's cool. That's very unique actually. This one looks like something I'd have in another one, but let me see. Oh gosh. Oh, it's got like a black base to it. And the blue is like different color glitter. Like it's blue glitter, but it's like some of it's lighter, some of it's darker. That is very pretty. Yeah, both of those shimmers have a darker base to them, which I think that means they do better on deeper skin tones than ones with a white base. Is that what I remember correctly? Let me know. I'm trying to learn more about how to apply makeup or, you know, match makeup to different skin tones than mine. I'm really fascinated by that. All right, the next row starts with this one. I see this color an awful lot. It's very pretty and high quality here. Kind of a reddish pink. This next one looks stunning on my finger. Let's see. Wow, it's very pretty, but it's definitely a topper. Well, maybe not. If you're going for like a, you know, no makeup look, but you want a little sparkle, that's beautiful. It's like a rose champagne kind of color. Could call it light pink too, I think, but it, when I swatched it, like it looked a little different than the, or at least it looked different on my finger. Let's go ahead and do the next one though. This is a matte. Oh gosh, that was beautiful too. Like one swipe opaque, just like that deep brown one up there. Next one is another matte. Let's see. All right. Similar to this, but I think this is the cooler version of it. And my finger's a little worn out from swatching, so sorry if that's not picking it up great. I don't think we're going to have any issues with this next shimmer either, though. Yes, very dark. It's basically a black, but it has a little bit of blue and a little bit of silver shimmer is what I'm seeing in it. I wish we could see this one a little better, but this is a lot more color than I thought at first. That blue and that kind of goldy olive, and even that pink next to it really give a pop of color. So you could definitely do a neutral look with this. You could do a very sparkly look, or you could do a colorful look. Really cool. I like that a lot. So this is that Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I would love to try other palettes because this formula is incredible. I'll have to update you on how it looks on the eye. But let me know if you're familiar with this, or at least this brand. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and we will see you in another one. Bye. Oh, I think my snake just pooped. Did you just poop? I smell snake poop. Gosh, you're a stink bomb. My large black rat snake is just, when she poops, man, the whole house can smell it. That's kind of annoying, but we'll see if I can get it